Okay, this is lesson number 3 in biology. So today is going to be about exploring respiration in sport. The first thing I want you to know is practically when you want to revise this lesson, the first things that you need to focus about is what is aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Sorry, the video can be slightly lousy because it's just that handling the phone in one side and writing. So just stay focused, okay? The aerobic respiration is that when we have a reaction or practically respiration with the presence of oxygen. And anaerobic, that means no oxygen is occurred. Okay. The aerobic oxygen, which happens mostly in the human body, is about what? It's when the oxygen and glucose or sugar react in order to give us carbon dioxide at the end, which is more likely what happens for the muscle cells. When they require more oxygen, we will get there later on. And anaerobic is like when your body can still make out energy with no presence of oxygen. It's like when those football players, they run for like a long time. It's like they cannot, sometimes they don't literally like breathe in and out like almost of the time. They just carry on running. So here, your body takes a mechanism of how to actually form energy with the absence of oxygen. Meanwhile, during the light exercising, or like I just decided to walk or to swim, I'm taking it slow. I'm taking it one by one. So here, during your exercise, your body demands more oxygen. Where do they actually get the oxygen when they need it? They pull it from what? They take the glucose to convert it into a source of energy, and then it goes to the bloodstream and then into your muscles. So the oxygen or the source of energy that you had goes to the muscles. It no longer leaves the muscles. By then, you will still be able to breathe in and out while you're doing your exercise. Okay, that's like the major idea. Then we have like the energy stores. We agreed that the first thing that we have is the glucose reacting with oxygen. So then it actually takes the carbon dioxide out, and by then we have the process of respiration, right? This was the respiration. Now we want to know that the source of energy here, how or where is it stored? We've got 3 places. The first thing, we have the glycogen, a form of energy stored in the liver, and we have the glycogen stored in the muscles or as fat. Okay, for those who wish like to lose weight suddenly, so what do? They stay without food and they exercise a lot. What happens to them? They fall apart. Why? Because they don't have any source of energy. So what happens to the body? It keeps breaking down every single sugar part until they have they faint. Sometimes they feel dizzy, zero energetic, they can't wake up, they can't stand, they can't do even their normal duties. So because they are lacking the source of energy, by then their muscles or the respiration process is no longer going to be the same.